everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you some effective solutions for iPhone speaker troubles. Whether it's the iPhone Air or call speaker that isn't working, both have potential to a bigger problem than you might expect. Even if you have headphones for listening to music without the sound coming from the speaker, you can't hear incoming calls, alert tones, text notifications and other features. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix a non-working iPhone speaker. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, check the iPhone ringer and volume. On the side of every iPhone are 3 buttons: the ringer mute switch and 2 volume buttons. The ringer mute switch disables all sounds for calls and notifications, while the volume buttons control the overall volume of the device. To get your iPhone speaker working again, toggle the ringer switch. Do this by flipping it down so that the orange underlay appears. Then flip it back up. Also raise the volume of the phone as high as it will go. And next, you should check the sound settings. It could be that you turn off sounds related to certain functions of the phone, such as ringtones for incoming calls, notifications or other functions. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to sound and haptics. Tap on it and then check the settings there. Adjust the volume slider, move the change with buttons, toggle switch to on or green, set a new ringtone, or you can set a new text tone. Check if the phone is stuck in headphone mode. The iPhone can only send audio output to one place at a time. Your iPhone speakers could be working fine but may be stuck in headphone mode. This is a bug that causes iPhone to send audio to the headphones even if the headphones are not plugged in. For this, turn off Bluetooth. For this, go back to your settings and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on Bluetooth toggle button to disable this feature, and you are done. And also you should check the audio output settings. To do that, open the control center and then select the AirPlay icon in the upper right corner of the music playback control. Select iPhone if it is not already selected, and you are done. And the next step is restart the iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update the operating system. For this, go to settings and choose general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update is available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone speaker troubles, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.